In this video, we're finding domain and range of different graphs that have just points on them. So if I look down here at my graph, you see how it's got several points on it. First thing I want to do is I want to label each one of those points. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one is -4, 4. This one is -2, 2. This one is -1, 3. This one is 0, 1. This one is 1, -1. This one is 2, 4. This one is 1, 2, 3, 0. And this last one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, is 4, -3. After I have all my points labeled, I can go back and tell what my domain is. Make sure I put set notation. And I want to list all of my x values. So if I'm going from left to right, I have -4, then -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's all of my x values. Then I need all of my y values for the range. Domain is x, range is y. So I'm going to start at the very lowest point and go to the highest point so I can get my y values. So here I have a -3, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and I have 4 listed twice, but I only have to write it once. There's my domain and range for a graph with just points. Let's practice one more time. On this graph, kind of seems to have a pattern going on, but it is just points again. So let's list the coordinates of each one of those points. So this first one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one is -5, 4. This next one is 1, 2, 3, 4. -4, 3. Next one is -3, 2. Next one is -2, 3. The next one is -1, 4. Next one is 0, 3. Next one is 1, 2. Next one is 2, 3. Next one is 3, 4. The next one is 4, 5. And the last one is 5, 4. Alright, so when I list my domain, remember domain is x, so I would start my set notation. And I would go in order from left to write down my x values. So I have a -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those would be all of my x values. Now I need to know my range. So I would go and pick up all my y values. The lowest one is at 2. Next one's at 3. Notice I have several at 3, but I only have to lift it once. The next one is 4. And the next one is 5. And I don't think I have any y values higher than that. I have 2, 3, 4, and 5. Nothing higher, nothing lower. So those are my only range values.